Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix GeForce Experience error code 0x0003. All right, let's begin. First, open the Start menu and search for Device Manager. Open it, expand Display Adapters. Right-click your NVIDIA graphics card, select Update Driver, and choose Search Automatically for Drivers. Close the window after updating. Next, search for Windows Defender Firewall and open it. Click Allow an app or feature. Select Change Settings. Then allow another app, click Browse, and find NVIDIA GeForce Experience.exe inside Program Files and NVIDIA Corporation. Add it and make sure both public and private are enabled. Then search for services, find NVIDIA Services, right-click NVIDIA Display Container and select Restart. Then right-click NVIDIA Framework SDK and select Restart. And finally, right-click NVIDIA Local System and select Restart. So that's basically how you can fix GeForce Experience error code 0x0003. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.